Hello everyone, welcome to English with Fana. Today, I'm going to teach you how to respond to how are you. Now, I'm fine or I'm good is a bit overused in our daily conversation. So today, why don't we level up our conversation with our friends and expand our vocabulary with these 10 other responses to how are you. Without wasting any time, let's just start. Number 1. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. This phrase is a very popular response to how are you. For example, hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Number 2, I feel great or I feel marvelous or I feel fine. These three phrases is very positive, especially the word marvelous. For example, hey, how are you doing? I feel great or I feel marvelous or I feel fine. Number 3, couldn't be better. Couldn't be better. This phrase shows that it is impossible to feel healthier or more well. For example, hey, how are things? Well, couldn't be better. Number 4, fit as a fiddle. Fit as a fiddle. This phrase is an English idiom. For example, hey, you look fine. How are things? Thanks, I'm fit as a fiddle. Number 5, very well, thanks. Very well, thanks. For example, hello, good morning. How are you? Very well, thanks. Number 6, I'm okay. I'm okay. Number 7, I'm alright. I'm alright. Number 8, not bad. Not bad. These three phrases is something that you say for just being polite. Maybe actually you're not feeling okay, but you're just being polite and you just feel that you need to respond. For example, hi, how are you? What have you been up to? I'm alright, just as usual. Or I'm okay or not bad. Number 9, much better. Much better. This phrase is used when we were sick or when we were ill, and then we feel much better, we feel healthier and more well. For example, hello, how are you? I've heard that you just been discharged from the hospital. Oh, much better. I am much better. Number 10, all the better for seeing you. All the better for seeing you. This phrase is the friendliest phrase. We use this phrase to friends or our beloveds. Don't use this with strangers. For example, it's been a long time. How have you been? I missed you. All the better for seeing you. That's all for today's Level Up session. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me in all my social media accounts. I have Instagram at English with Fana and also a Facebook page. Till next time, bye! Or I feel great. No! Again, number 2. Number 2. No, again. Number 2. Number 5. Again. Number 5. Hey. How... Again.